Hi, Derek Thorp here. How does Samaritan Ministries work? How does the whole process work? Well, Samaritan Ministries is not an insurance company. They're what's called a healthcare sharing ministry, and they provide a way for Christians to share medical expenses directly, person to person, house to house, with no insurance involved. And the way that works is each month as a member, you will get the name and address of another household who has a medical need. You'll get a monthly newsletter. With that will come what's called a share slip. And on that slip of paper is the name and address and prayer requests and so forth of a member who has already submitted a medical need to Samaritan. And on the receiving end, they are just cashing the checks and paying their medical expenses themselves as self-pay patients. And so that's the approach. That's why there is no insurance involved. It's just member to member, person to person. So it's not just a technicality. Samaritan Ministries really is not an insurance company in any way. The kinds of expenses that generally would be included with that would be unforeseen illnesses and unforeseen injuries where the bill total is at least $300. Samaritan will subtract $300 from the bill total you submit with your need form, and then assign other members to be sending you directly the remaining amount, up to $250,000 per incident. And Samaritan operates on a per person, per incident basis. So that $250,000 is not some lifetime maximum or yearly maximum. That's just for that particular incident or condition. The kinds of expenses not included would be things like routine and preventative care, dental and vision, pre-existing conditions, and needs under $300. And the guidelines will be your key. They'll go into all the specifics about how Samaritan Ministries works, the kinds of expenses that are included, the kinds that are not. And so that is essentially how that process will work. You'll have a need processing form that Samaritan will send you at your request. You'll fill that out. You'll send that to them with the original itemized bills related to that need. And then generally about 2 months later, Samaritan members are sending you shares for the total of that need minus $300, assuming it's not a month of shortfall or prorating. So that's basically it. At this recording, the monthly share for one person is $135. It's $270 for a couple, $320 for a family of 3 or more, and that's any children up through the age of 18. And if they're 19 through 25, as long as they're living at home, they can also be on the family membership. So this is basically how that works. Or I should mention 19 through 25. If they're in school full time and your home is their permanent address, they can also be on the family membership there. So I want to make sure I didn't forget anything. But that's basically how the Samaritan Ministries process works. For more information, there's a link in the description of this video, which you can request a packet of information to be sent to you. So thanks for watching.